I will never look at the night sky the same way after learning this. The universe is full of wonders and mysteries, and one of the most fascinating events is the collision of neutron stars. Let's talk about neutron star collisions. These cosmic events are not just spectacular, they are also incredibly powerful and transformative. It all begins with extreme gravity. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. They are incredibly dense, with a mass greater than that of our Sun packed into a sphere just a few kilometers across. As two neutron stars spiral toward each other, their immense gravitational forces pull them closer and closer. Their immense gravitational forces warped the very fabric of space-time. This warping creates ripples known as gravitational waves, which travel across the universe at the speed of light. This dance creates powerful gravitational waves, rippling across the universe. These waves were first detected by scientists in 2015, confirming a major prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Then comes the grand finale, an explosive kilonova. A kilonova is a massive explosion that occurs when two neutron stars merge, releasing an enormous amount of energy. When these stars finally collide, the energy released in a few seconds surpasses what our Sun will emit in its entire lifetime. This explosion is so bright that it can outshine an entire galaxy for a short period, in its entire lifetime. Imagine that kind of power. The sheer magnitude of energy released is almost incomprehensible. Imagine that kind of power, but the aftermath is where the real magic happens. The collision of neutron stars doesn't just release energy, it also creates new elements, but the aftermath is where the real magic happens. This colossal explosion forges new elements, some of which are essential for life as we know it. This colossal explosion forges new elements like gold and platinum, scattering them across the cosmos. These elements are created in the extreme conditions of the kilonova, where temperatures and pressures are unimaginably high, like gold and platinum, scattering them across the cosmos. These elements eventually become part of future stars and planets, contributing to the formation of new celestial bodies. These elements eventually become part of future stars and planets. Over millions of years, the debris from these collisions can coalesce to form new stars, planets, and even life. Yes, the jewelry you wear might have originated from such a cosmic event. The gold in your ring or the platinum in your watch could have been forged in the heart of a neutron star collision billions of years ago. From such a cosmic event, it's a humbling thought, isn't it? That the precious metals we value so much have such an extraordinary origin. Now you might be wondering, could Earth survive if a neutron star collision happened nearby? The short answer is no. The energy released would be catastrophic for any nearby planets. If a neutron star collision happened nearby? Thankfully, these events are incredibly rare and occur far, far away. The nearest known neutron star collision is hundreds of millions of light years away. Thankfully, these events are incredibly rare and occur far, far away. So, while they are fascinating to study, we don't have to worry about them affecting us directly and occur far, far away. But it's fun to imagine, right? The universe is full of such incredible phenomena, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding the cosmos. But it's fun to imagine, right? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about neutron star collisions? Have you ever wondered about the origins of the elements around us? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts and what-if scenarios. We love exploring the mysteries of the universe with you. Subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts and what-if scenarios. Hit like if you're amazed by the power of the universe. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating content. And what-if scenarios? Hit like if you're amazed by the power of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up. The night sky is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Hit like if you're amazed by the power of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and who knows what we might discover next.